I heard a lot of stories from friends tuwing nagre-request ng credit limit increase at credit card cash loan at kapag dinidisapprove or dinidecline ni bangko, takutin mo ng konti. Ay hindi, joke lang. Bluff mo ng konti at merong magandang result yan. Juan Crisel Morales here and welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Wonderful day sa inyong lahat, and last Saturday hindi pa ako nakapag-upload ng video because ang dami kong inasikaso and I wasn't able to do so. So ngayon po, here is another video at alam ko na ang video natin for today is something that will entertain you and at the same time will give you an information as usual na kung saan pakakapulutan na naman ng strategy, pakakapulutan na naman ng aral, ng knowledge or siguro wisdom, why not? Para sa ganon, as we go along our credit card journey, pwede nating magamit ang mga strategy na yan, wisdom and knowledge na yan, na nanggaling sa mga ibang tao. So, yung mga experiences ng iba, pwede nating i-apply or pwede nating i-try. And sometimes, it works with us. Pero kung hindi naman, siguro it's not intended for you. But today, I would like to share you this story of one of our subscribers because I believe makakapulot tayo ng estratehiya or ng knowledge or information sa araw na ito. Okay, I would like to share with you yung story ng ating subscriber na si Comet New Wise. Naalala daw niya yung story ng kanyang cousin na tumawag sa BDO kasi gusto niyang magpa-increase ng credit limit. Kaya lang sabi daw ng CS or ng customer service, declined yung kanyang request for a credit limit increase. So yung cousin niya, ang sabi niya, okay, sige, ipapakat ko na lang yung credit card ko. Total, wala naman akong utang sa inyo. And mag-a-apply na lang siya ng ibang credit card sa ibang bangko kung saan maaari siyang ma-approve ng mas mataas na credit limit. Now, nung sinabi niya yon, ang sabi daw ng CS, ay wait lang po, I will forward your concern to the right officer. After a while, sabi ng customer service representative, okay sir, bibigyan na namin ng action at ng atensyon yung request niyo na credit limit increase. And eventually, na-approve siya. So ano ang lesson dito? Sometimes kailangan nating mag-strategize, gumawa ng strategies. Hindi mo naman kailangang takutin yung mga CS. I-bluff siguro ng konti. Yes, yung sinabi niya na ipapakat ko na lang yung credit limit ko kasi nga I need a higher credit limit increase and total wala naman akong utang sa inyo, so doon na lang ako sa ibang bangko kasi they're offering me a higher credit limit, something like that. And it's true, sometimes nagugulat si bangko pag sinasabi natin ipapakat ko na yung aming or yung aking credit card and there bibigyan kanila ng attention at yung concern mo idudulog doon sa right officer and after a while, igagrant nila yung request mo. So for them, instead of losing one client, why not grant the request of one client, lalo na kapag katulad naman ng cousin ni Comet na okay yung payment at walang utang. So, kung minsan, madali namang mapa-oo si bangko provided na maganda naman talaga yung record natin. The case is, yung case kasi is maganda naman yung payment niya, wala siyang utang, and nung nag-request siya ng credit limit increase, hindi nag-grant or napagbigyan. So, medyo nagkaroon siya ng, hindi naman disappointment totally, pero parang, okay, sige. Kung ayaw niyong ma-increase yung aking credit limit, despite of the fact na good payer ako, wala akong utang sa inyo, di sige, pakat ko na lang yung credit card ko. And sometimes, pag tinitignan nila yung record after a while, and nakita nila na good payer ka nga, at okay ang record mo, biglang mag-oo yan. So, the bottom line is, bago nating i-bluff or gulatin si CS or si bangko, kailangan naman meron talaga tayong record na ipagmamalaki. Na good payer talaga tayo at hindi tayo delinquent na client. Kasi kung iba-bluff mo si bangko, And after a while, titignan nila yung record mo na hindi ka naman talagang magaling na payor or hindi naman talaga maganda yung record mo sa kanila, hindi ka nila sasayangin. They can afford to lose you. Kasi nga, di ikaw pang pabigat. Parang ganon, no? But then again, hindi naman kasi sila basta-basta magsasabi na, o sige, ikakat na namin yung credit card mo. Kasi sometimes they give us chances naman, di ba? So, yung credit limit talagang medyo mahirap lang i-grant. Lalo na kapag yung existing credit limit na nasa iyo, hindi mo nga mabayaran ng buo. So, how much more kapag dinagdagan nila yung credit limit mo? So, in the case of Comet's cousin, nag-grant kasi siguro natignan nila na okay yung records niya. Maaring nung una, na-decline kasi kung minsan baka tinamad si bangko, hindi na tinignan kung ano yung records niya, kung magaling bang payor to o hindi. So, parang okay, declined. But then, nung sinabi nung cousin ni Comet na, sige, ikakat ko na lang, biglang, wait. Patingin nga yung record niya. Okay naman pala. Sige, i-grant natin. Kaya kung minsan, strategy is very important. But then again, kailangan meron ka rin talagang ipagmamalaki na record. Magandang record. At baka sabihin ng ating mga subscribers or viewers, ano ba yung magandang record na pwede nating ipagmalaki kay bangko para at least pwede tayong mag-bluff. And then after a while, baka i-increase din ni bangko yung credit limit. So, kailangan mataas yung credit score. Okay, ano ibig sabihin ng mataas na credit score? Maganda yung record at mataas yung credit score mo kasi nga you're a good payor and consistent ka sa paggamit ng credit card mo, active ka talaga. And doon nag-i-increase yung ating credit card or credit score. At kapag mataas yung ating credit score, one of the reasons for the bank to easily give you a credit limit increase because of the good record or high credit score that you have. Ngayon, kapag hindi maganda yung record mo, talagang hindi ka nila i-grant. Kasi nga, thinking of the fact na kung magkano yung binigay nila or yung existing credit limit mo, hindi mo nga mabayaran. So, paano ka pa nila bibigyan ng additional credit limit? Kung yung existing mo, hirap na hirap ka. Diba? So, pabigat yun sa'yo. Alam ni bangko na mahihirapan ka. And at risk din si bangko sa'yo. Kung sakaling bibigyan kanila ng credit limit increase na hindi mo kaya. So, kailangan i-maintain natin at the end of the day, talagang we will fall into the fact that we should preserve a good standing and we should preserve or have a good record with the bank. Yung talagang magandang record, na positive record talaga. So, ganun yun. Maganda ang credit card. Basta lang, we have to be very consistent in paying our credit card bills. Kasi, halimbawa, credit limit mo is 20,000. Nagamit mo lahat. Bayaran mo yan ng buo. Kasi kapag nabayaran mo, magre-replenish yung credit card mo or yung credit limit mo, magagamit mo na naman siya after mong bayaran yung credit card bill mo. Hindi katulad ng pag umutang ka sa mga lending institution na kung halimbawa umutang ka ng 10,000 and then kapag nabayaran mo yung 10,000, sinoli mo na, hindi na mababalik sa'yo. Hindi katulad ng credit card na 20,000 yung utang mo sa credit card pero kapag nabayaran mo yan ng buo, magre-replenish, magagamit mo na naman the following month. So, para siyang rotation lang. Cycle, parang ganun. Parang rotation lang yan. As long as you pay your credit card bill, your credit limit shall be replenished and you can use it again as usual. Kaya maganda po ang credit card. Basta we are responsible payor and client of the bank. You will be creating a very good credit line. And in the future, kapag mangangailangan tayo ng mas malaki, magka-housing loan tayo, magka-car loan, auto loan, o mas madali talagang ma-approve because yung record natin magpa-pop up sa system nila. And once they find out that you are really a good payor, and you have preserved a good credit standing and credit score, it will be very easy for the bank to grant you such request. Halimbawa, housing loan, auto loan, ang dali lang talagang mag-approve si bangko. Kasi wala silang takot sa'yo, hindi sila at risk. Kung halimbawang pinautang kanila ng certain amount for building a house or purchasing a new car. So it will be very easy for them to approve such request or such loan from the bank. Basta ba, ikaw ay walang hit ang pangalan mo or maganda yung record mo sa kanila, in other words. So there you go, sana na-inspire kayo at na-challenge, that's the right term, na-challenge kayo sa story ng cousin ni Comet na talagang tinablinaf niya si Bangko, no? Parang sabi niya, oh sige, papakat ko na lang. Biglang huminto ng konti si CS, tapos, I would like to hold you for a while. Di ba ganun yung style ng mga customer service representative? Ma'am, can I hold you for a while? I would like to refer this to our officer, officer in charge. And then biglang pagbalik, nag-grant na nga yung request niya for a credit limit increase. But of course, ang bottom line niyan, at as what I've said a while ago, kailangan, meron kang ipagmamalaki naman na record talaga na maganda para mag-complement doon sa credit limit increase na grinant ni Bangko sa'yo. So there you go. Maraming salamat po sa mga natumutok na naman sa video na to. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I couldn't really express how grateful I am and how joyful I am for having you all there. And I believe po na marami kayong matututunan kahit isa, dalawa, tatlo lang yan. It doesn't matter how small or how big, how many, how much. Ang importante, 1 or 2 na narinig mo at nagrema sa heart mo or naiwan sa isipan mo and pwede mo yung i-preserve para maging weapon as we go along our credit card journey. So thank you so much. Doon po sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please subscribe po. Meron tayong notification bell down there that you can tap so that you will always be notified sa mga bagong videos ng ating YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And as what I've said, kahit anong klaseng pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!